Alright, so I was diving into this open source project called llama-farm, and it's a game changer for building local AI applications.
Oh, I've heard about it. It's all about retrieval augmented generation, right? That sounds really interesting.
Exactly, it lets you run AI models locally with a super user-friendly CLI. I mean, who wouldn't want that?
Right, the idea of owning your AI stack really resonates. But how extensible is it?
Super extensible, you can swap in different models or data storage solutions without rewriting your whole application.
That's a big deal. So you could start with a local model and shift to a hosted service later.
Exactly, it's like having a starter car that you can upgrade with new parts as you go.
Wait, so can you do everything from the command line? That sounds really convenient.
Yep, you can create projects, manage datasets, and even start interactive chats all through the CLI.
That's pretty cool. I wonder how it handles long documents for RAG, though. Is that tricky?
It is, but they recommend adjusting the context window in your local runtime settings. Bigger windows mean better answers.
I see, but doesn't that also require more resources? How do they manage that?
Good point, it's designed to work well on smaller setups, so you don't need a supercomputer to run it.
That's refreshing, but I wonder about the limitations. Does it support multiple file formats for data ingestion?
Yes, but you might need custom parsers for some formats. It could get complex if you're using lots of different files.
So it's flexible but might demand some extra work if your data is super varied.
Spot on, it's a trade-off between flexibility and upfront setup. You get powerful tools, but it can be a learning curve.
That makes sense. What about community support? Is there a place to ask questions?
Absolutely, they have a Discord channel, which is great for real-time feedback and collaboration.
I love that. It feels more alive compared to just reading documentation.
For sure, engaging with the community can spark new ideas. Have you tried any AI projects yourself?
A little, I played with some simple models, but nothing on this scale. How does llama-farm compare?
It's way more structured. Instead of just coding from scratch, you can define everything in YAML files.
YAML. That's interesting. It sounds like it could help with version control too.
Exactly, having a configuration file makes it easier to track changes and collaborate.
But what if I want to add a new feature later? How easy is that?
They built it to be extendable, so you can register new components or commands without diving deep into the code.
Wow, that's a relief. Sometimes diving into code can feel overwhelming.
Totally, it's all about making AI accessible, which is what I love about llama-farm.
Accessibility is key. I guess this could really empower more developers to dive into AI.
Absolutely. I mean, imagine someone using this for a small business to manage documents efficiently.
That would be fantastic, but I wonder how well it competes with other established tools out there.
That's a valid concern. The landscape is crowded, but llama-farm's local-first approach is unique.
True, and the ability to swap out backends depending on your needs is a huge advantage.
Right? Plus, you don't have to worry as much about data privacy with local models.
Exactly. That could be a game changer for industries handling sensitive information.
It's exciting to think about the potential applications, but what about the learning curve?
I'd imagine there's some steep parts, especially for newcomers to AI.
Yes, but the community support and detailed documentation help bridge that gap.
It sounds like they've put a lot of thought into making it user-friendly.
For sure, it's all about making AI tools available to everyone regardless of experience.
I'm curious about the types of projects people are building with it. Any examples?
Yes, they have examples like an FDA letters assistant that handles multi-document ingestion.
That sounds practical. It shows how versatile Llama Farm can be across different sectors.
Exactly, and it's exciting to think about what innovative applications could emerge.
So if someone wanted to dive in, what's the first step?
They should check out the Quick Start Guide. It walks you through installation and setup.
Perfect, I'm definitely intrigued. It sounds like Llama Farm is worth exploring.
Absolutely, it's a fascinating platform that could reshape how we think about AI development.
I can't wait to see where it goes. Who knows what innovations are on the horizon?
Indeed, and it's great to think about how it can empower more people to create with AI.
Exactly. This could really democratize AI in a way we haven't seen before.
That's the hope, makes you wonder what the future of AI will look like for everyone.
Definitely. I'm excited to see how this community evolves.